Let's see what we can do. Ah, televisor. We're gonna say this in Serbian. This might be a copyright of the Serbian lessons, but it's not gonna be called Serbian lessons anymore. So let's go. So finally, me through my crib. Okay. Turn the lights on. 1 second, let me show you my crib. I'll show you my $1 million lamp. Look at all that glass up there. Yeah. All right, here we go. Pička ti materi, mnogo svetlo. Kako ništa ovdje. Srbijancog. Ovo je moj sobu. Ajde. Jedan Srbiju! Ja! Gledaj ovo! Hopa! Okay. Alright, I'm not the best Serbian speaker, but I might say stuff, part of stuff in Serbian. Today we're going to start by turning on a TV. Some Serbs don't know how to do that, which I'm going to help them with that. Ovo ne je kurac. Ovo remote. I don't know how to say remote. Kaže televizor I kurac. Oh, shoot. Ah, man, I messed it up. But screw it. So, kurac, ne ovo kurac. Ovo televizor remote. Ne, ovo ne kako pali televizor. Ovo ne, ovo ne, ovo ne. Ovo ne je pička. Ovo pali televizor. Gledaj. Pička ti materi, ajde! Gledaj pička. Plasma screen. Ne ovo dobro, ovo pička. Ovo, kako je crnac. Ne dobar crnac, but crnac. Crnac, ne dobro. Kako znaš ništa ovo beli? Ovo beli and crnac. Ovo jadne govno, mnogo.
What, you going back with him? He's my partner.
Now, alright, so I can't speak as much Serbian. Now,
what's it come to 3 ways?
You gotta chill. Ajde, pička ti materi!
Fine.
Hey, shut the door!